चलो क्यों ना कुछ अच्छा और यूनिक करते हैं पॉडकास्ट एक्सक्लूसिवली ऑन दिस चैनल। शिवानी आपको देगी जूसी अपडेट्स जिससे आपका मोटिवेशन, सक्सेस और ब्रांडिंग बढ़ सकता है।
How many of you have heard that keep doing the right things and the world will follow you? The world will find you and you will be successful. Say I to yourself who thinks so. You are wrong. Nobody will find you if you don't do your part. Just nobody. No one is going to find you if you keep doing your work. This is strategy in so-called 2020. If you keep doing right work, it's good. But if you just wait for people to come to you, you are gonna to lose. Let me give you one example. Let's just say that we all are in a jungle and I get lost. How will you ever find me if I won't do my part? If it's a dark jungle, I don't be loud enough, like you won't be able to find me ever. We all are here in this jungle of life. Nothing is organic here. Nobody will ever find you. Everything is paid advertisement. Do you know what's the paid advertisement? Paid advertisement is the payment in terms of either time, effort, or money. But you need to do something for it too. We all are in this jungle of life. You need to do either of the things or all of the three to get yourself known. In today's world, in this concrete jungle, only hope is organic. Apart from hope, nothing is organic, just nothing. There are around 582 million entrepreneurs. Just imagine 582 million. Still, you guys are here listening to me. Why? Because my particular brand or my advertisement was strong enough to penetrate someone's mind here in this world who called me to speak. So if I won't be loud about my own work, nobody would ever get me or ever get a random thought that someone there in India is doing this work and talking about personal branding and influencing people's mind. Up to then, nobody will get to know me. Start showing people your work. Start knocking out doors because you are not getting opportunities just like this. Start building your personal brand in today's world. We actually live in a competitive jungle. If you want to stand out for yourself, you need to be the loudest. Even if you get viral, let me tell you, just remember, even if you get a viral of yourself, first you need to create something to show to the world and be loud about its distribution. It's a noisy world. You got to break through the clutter to raise your brand, to raise what's within you. There's no other way that you need to put your 100% over your things. Just go, take action to build your personal brand and make it happen about your strategies and show your work out loud to people. Do it now. If not now, then when? 2020 is the reset year. It is the year to invest in yourself. It is the year to think of your future and now. Gone are the days when the past was there and you were working. It's time to adapt. Success is the biggest failure according to me. Only the thing that is growing is your brand. Success put limits because most people live in the world that if they are successful, they cannot fail. And that's where you put full stop in making your personal brand grow. Your determination is into your work, into your personalities that shows inspiration within you. One must continually be in the mode of learning, to continually indulge in solitude, creating different world and realities, to continually be ahead of your own in your self stories with branding and enhancement. These are the ways where you can yourself beyond had a ever expected life out of it that you have ever thought of. Brand yourself to get up the future. Brand yourself to let your story reach out to the people over there who are listening. Brand yourself. If you are not subscribed yet, you are really missing out. This is the place where future brand makers come to bake their brand stories. So make and develop your personal brand with us. Subscribe, share, like, comment and connect at every platform wherever you can. You will get whole of the details in the description right below the video. We also recommend you to watch this videos that says watch next. Thank you for being with us.
Stay tuned for big branding stories.
Every Saturday only on Shivani Personal Branding.